Hi. Hi. Irene here. I've been wanting to make a tote bag to keep in my handbag for when I go shopping, or if you're walking around and need some bread or anything, just to make sure you don't get another plastic bag. So I was having a look at the fabrics I have. This one is beautiful, and I like the palm trees as well. Well, this way. Or the whales are nice as well. I have more quantity, so maybe I should keep it for another thing. I'm in love with this one. I didn't remember I had this one. So I was thinking to use this autumny one. It's not ugly. And combine it with some orange, maybe. Yeah, let's go with this. Alright, let's do some ironing because this one is a bit wrinkly. Because these two squares are not very big for the bag, I'm going to add the orange bead onto a side so I can gain some space, some more fabric to work with. And I'm going to use French seams for the whole bag because I don't have enough fabric to make a lining. I don't want seams to be seen, so I'm going to first sew on the right side and then the inside, so the seams are all hidden. You'll see in a minute. Let's cut the excess. Now we turn it inside out to sew this bit. You lose a bit of fabric, but you get a really nice finish. And now we're going to do the top. For that, it's just going to be to fold twice and sew. Fold that. We have it. Now we're going to cut what are going to be our handles. And for the handles, we are just going to open the bits we got from the handbag, fold, and sew a straight stitch. Fold, and sew. And another 3 times. Let's see how it looks on Marie Antoinette. I also made one in a cow print that looks really fun when you go to do the grocery shopping. They are really sturdy because they have double seams, so I'm really happy with them. I'm not afraid of carrying heavy stuff or anything. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next one. Bye!